In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tabs for Contextual Copilot in Edge. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. If you've been using Microsoft Edge and are interested in enhancing your browsing experience with the power of Contextual Copilot, you're in the right place. Contextual Copilot is designed to make your browsing more interactive and intuitive by providing tailored assistance based on your current web tasks. Adding tabs specifically for this feature can greatly improve your productivity. First, let's start by ensuring you have the latest version of Microsoft Edge installed on your computer. This is essential because newer updates often come with enhancements and bug fixes that are critical for features like Contextual Copilot to work effectively. You can check for updates by clicking on the 3 horizontal dots in the upper right corner of your Edge browser. From there, hover over Help and Feedback and then click on About Microsoft Edge. The browser will automatically check for any available updates and install them for you. Once you've confirmed your browser is up to date, let's move on to adding those tabs for Contextual Copilot. Open Edge, and you should have a clean start with a blank tab. This is where all the magic begins. To set up your Contextual Copilot tabs, look for the plus sign next to your current tab at the top of the browser. Click that to open a new blank tab. Now, while you're in this new tab, you'll want to access the Settings menu to enable Contextual Copilot. Click on the 3 dots again, and this time head to Settings. Now, within the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Privacy, Search, and Services. This is where you can tweak various settings related to your browsing experience. Scroll down until you find the section called Services. Here, you'll see an option for Contextual Copilot. Go ahead and toggle it on if it's not already enabled. Next, we want to create a dedicated area for your tabs that are related to the tasks you'll be using with Contextual Copilot. You can do this by simply opening a few more tabs. It's beneficial to create one tab for each type of task or project you're working on. For instance, you might have one tab open for research, another for writing, and perhaps a third for summarizing your findings. To add specific websites as tabs, just click on the address bar in your new tab and enter the URL of the site you need. Hit Enter and voila, new tab created. You can also bookmark these tabs to quickly access them in the future. To bookmark a page, just click on the star icon in the URL bar and save it to your bookmarks. Once you have your various tabs open, you might notice Contextual Copilot starting to engage as you navigate through them. This intelligent assistant will provide tips, suggestions, and shortcuts based on the content of the tabs you have open. It's like having a virtual assistant right there with you. As you explore, make sure to interact with the Copilot feature. You can ask questions or request assistance with tasks directly related to the content on your screen. The more you use it, the smarter it becomes in predicting your needs. Finally, don't forget to organize your tabs as you build more projects. Edge allows you to group tabs together, which can be a real time saver. Just right-click on a tab and select Add Tab to New Group. This way, you can keep everything neat and easily accessible. And that's it. You've successfully added tabs for Contextual Copilot in Edge and set yourself on a path to a more efficient browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks in the future. Happy browsing!